Assalamu alaikum. Our topic for today is to describe the different epidemiological methods, including descriptive, analytic, and experimental approaches. Our first question is: a researcher investigates an outbreak of hepatitis A in a small town by collecting data on time of onset, place of residence, and age distribution of affected individuals. Which type of epidemiological method is being applied? A. Analytical study. B. Experimental study. C. Descriptive study. D. Case control study. E. Cohort study. The correct answer is C. Descriptive study. Question 2. A public health team observes that lung cancer rates are higher in areas with high air pollution. To confirm if air pollution is a causal factor, they compare residents exposed to high versus low pollution levels and follow them for 10 years. Which study design best fits this description? A. Case control study. B. Cross-sectional study. C. Cohort study. D. Experimental study. E. Ecological study. The correct answer is C. Cohort study. Next question. A hospital wants to test whether a new hand hygiene protocol reduces hospital-acquired infections. Two wards are chosen. One uses the new protocol and the other continues standard practice. Infection rates are compared after 6 months. What type of study is this? A. Case control study. B. Descriptive study. C. Community trial. D. Field visit. D. Field trial. E. Experimental study. The correct answer is E. Experimental study. Question 4. An investigator studies the relationship between socioeconomic status and obesity by analyzing data collected at a single point in time from 10,000 individuals. Which epidemiological method is being applied? A. Cohort study. B. Experimental study. C. Case control study. D. Cross-sectional study. E. Descriptive study. The correct answer is D. Cross-sectional study. Next question. In a study investigating the relationship between smoking and bladder cancer, researchers compare a group of bladder cancer patients with a group without cancer to determine past exposure to smoking. Which epidemiological design is this? A. Cohort study. B. Case control study. C. Descriptive study. D. Cross-sectional study. E. Experimental study. The correct answer is B. Case control study. Next question. A new vaccine is introduced to test its efficacy against influenza. Participants are randomly assigned to receive either the vaccine or a placebo. After 1 year, influenza incidence is compared. Which term best describes this study design? A. Field trial. B. Case control study. C. Cohort study. D. Descriptive study. E. Ecological study. The correct answer is A. Field trial. Question 7. A pharmaceutical company randomly assigns patients with hypertension to receive either drug A or drug B. Blood pressure readings are compared after 6 months. Which study design is this? A. Cohort study. B. Case control study. C. Randomized control trial. D. Cross-section study. E. Field trial. The correct answer is C. Randomized control trial. Question 8. Researchers randomly select one village to receive a health education campaign about malaria prevention while another village serves as a control. Malaria incidence is compared after 1 year. Which study design is this? A. Descriptive study. B. Field trial. C. Community trial. D. Case control study. E. Cross-sectional study. The correct answer is C. Community trial. Next question. In a new program, health workers are trained in a novel wound care technique. The healing rate of patients treated by trained versus untrained workers is compared. What is the study design? A. Case control study. B. Experimental study. C. Cohort study. D. Cross-section study. E. Ecological study. Correct answer is B. Quasi-experimental study. Our last question is: a public health researcher uses national data on average alcohol consumption and liver cirrhosis mortality across several countries to study correlations between the two. What is this study design? A. Cross-sectional study. B. Ecological study. C. Cohort study. D. Case control study. E. Experimental study. The correct answer is B. Ecological study. Thank you.